Everybody wants facial hair, not everybody can grow it. That is everybody that's not part of the TMF family, because you know, boys, I've told you, your facial hair, it's like makeup, right? Beards for men, it's like our makeup. It hides imperfections, it gives you definition, it makes you look more masculine. It's just everything a man could ever want. Today, boys, it doesn't matter what your beard looks like, whether it's patchy, you can only grow a little bit, whether you have a thick beard. Today, I'm gonna show you 6 tricks that you can do right now to make your facial hair look better. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1. This is for a sharp beard line. If you got patchy hair to the point that you cannot line your beard properly, bear with me, use an eyeliner. I know what you're thinking, Jose, that's the fruitiest thing I've ever heard. But, if you want a sharp, defined beard, this is a very simple trick that you could do. You can go to Walgreens, buy an eyeliner that matches your skin tone or your hair tone, and then you can draw a line very gently. You don't want to use a lot, and then just gently blend it into your beard. This is to fill any unevenness or patchiness that you might have, and all of a sudden your beard looks darker, fuller, crispier. You look better. Number 2, you gotta shave correctly. It doesn't matter if you can grow a whole beard. If you're not trimming it properly, it's not gonna look good on you. Just like a haircut, your beard needs to fit your face shape properly. There's 2 major lines you gotta worry about. You gotta worry about the line underneath your neck and then the lines on your cheeks, both of which have to be a slight curve. What that does is that it naturally gives your face that definition that you want. You don't want to cut your beard line down here where the beard removes that jawline definition. Instead, you want a very slight C-cut shape, very ever so slightly, where the beard has a hard contrast versus against the skin in your neck, giving you the definition you need. If you want to make it look even better, use a shaver. Like, don't just trim, grab a razor and actually clean that area up. It's gonna last longer and the contrast is gonna look cleaner. It's gonna look sharper. You're gonna look better. Here's the thing, you need a quality razor, something that's sharp that gives you that control. That's why I use our sponsor Dollar Shave Club all the time. You see, razors are expensive. Let's be honest. You could spend upwards of $50 a month buying replacements all the time. With Dollar Shave Club, you don't have to spend all that. They send razors directly to your door every month. You don't even have to go to the store, and they are affordable. But don't let the name fool you. Here's the thing, the Dollar Shave Club is one of my favorite grooming companies there are because it's a one-stop shop. Literally any product that a man needs to groom themselves, to smell better, and to look better, Dollar Shave Club has. Whether it's oral care, hair care, body care, deodorant, lotion, razors, fragrances, Dollar Shave Club literally has anything you could possibly need, and they do the same business model. They give you quality products, way better than anything you can buy in the store, but they deliver them at a low price because they get shipped directly to you. They're cutting out the middleman. That's what I love about Dollar Shave Club, which means that if you guys try the Dollar Shave Club, not only could you get razors delivered every month, you can get your body wash, your shampoo, your conditioner, everything that you're gonna need to look great delivered to your door at a rate that you need it. That way, you never have to worry about going to the store and buying new stuff. They just send it to you. That way, you're good to go. Here's the best part. If you guys want to check out the Dollar Shave Club, they're going to be linked down below, and they just made a quiz. It's a very fast questionnaire that I suggest you guys take. If you guys click the link down below, the questionnaire is free, and basically what it does is it looks at your grooming needs. They ask you a few questions, and then at the end of the questionnaire, they're going to suggest to you what box or what products you need depending on your personal life and your personal needs, and they custom tailor a box specifically for you so you can get it delivered whenever you need. Boys, if you guys want to check out the Dollar Shave Club, click the link down below, check out that questionnaire, and just make your life easier. It's just more practical, and you're going to look better. Number 3. Apply beard oil. Beard oil, it's crucial as it reduces itchiness as you're growing out your beard. It also hydrates and nourishes the hair on your face so it's more manageable. Think of it like conditioner for your hair. It also helps with the skin below the beard so that skin can be healthier and again, promote hair growth. Number 4, use a Derma Roller. A Derma Roller can be safely used on your face area. From what I've read, I would suggest you do research too, but there are no severe side effects because you're not applying any product, but instead what you're doing is increasing blood circulation, and because of that, it promotes hair growth. And that's why I love it, because when I was younger, I think around 19, 20, I did use facial hair growing products, which I don't recommend. This is much better because it's natural. You don't have to apply any product. You could do it every day, promote that blood circulation, and start getting your hair to grow. Even if you already have a beard, it's still a smart step to do to make the beard even thicker, make it look fuller. Number 5, just skip the tacky trends. Chin strap, soul patch, tacky beard, goatee, strangling little pubic hair on your chin. Any type of trend that is not really a full beard just looks bad, honestly. What you want is a beard that covers both your jawline and this face area. If it doesn't, most of the time, it's gonna look bad. And you can actually look this up. Most women, all they want is stubble. They literally want that 5 o'clock shadow. So you don't even have to grow a massive beard either. All you need is to give the illusion that you could. See, that 5 o'clock stubble is that perfect in between clean, sharp, and shaven, and letting the world know that you got the testosterone in your body to grow out a beard if you wish to do so. But you don't, and you stay with your stubble. And finally, number 6, you gotta exercise. There's already tons of reasons why you should be going to the gym. Making your beard look better is just an added benefit. You see, when you work out, you promote blood circulation, but also you're jacking up your testosterone levels. And as you know, testosterone is what you need to grow any sort of body hair. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club. They're going to be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.